Let's take a look at how to do this partial sums method. 239 plus 275 is our example. So when you do partial sums, it actually doesn't matter what order you do it in, as long as you make sure you don't leave anything out. So this is really nice for students that struggle, like changing from the way we read, which is left to right, to the way we do algorithms with the standard algorithm. We do it right to left. So you could actually do this left to right. And one nice thing about this too is you don't have to deal with regrouping. So we will just basically add each place value and we'll just keep track of what it means. So when I add my twos, I'm not just going to do 2 plus 2 equals 4. I'm actually going to say, well, that's 200 since it's in the hundreds place, and another 200. 200 plus 200 is 400. And then if I just want to keep going left to right, I can just do what's in my tens place and think of that as 30 plus 70, which is 100. And so these addition problems are easier to do than some other addition that you might do using the same problem with the standard algorithm. And then 9 plus 5 is 14. So I just write all this down and then I add all that up. So I do have like maybe an extra step, I guess, in terms of I'm going to do more addition once I'm done with this. But the addition is really easy. 400 plus 100 plus 14, and that's 514. And so it's typically very easy to add doing it this way. And then another way that you might see that same problem is we might just leave off the 0 placeholders. So for example, 200 plus 200 is 400. I'm just going to put a 4 in the hundreds place, right? 30 plus 70 is 100. I'm just going to put a 1 in the hundreds place. 9 plus 5 is 14. So I'm going to put a 4 in the ones place and a 1 in the tens place. And so you might see it that way without the zeros, and then you basically just add it a column at a time. So it's still fairly easy to do. This would just be 4, 1, and then 4 plus 1 is 5.